Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you look at this piece of paper, there's a dot on one side and a cross on the other side. You close your left eye and with your right eye you see the cross, and slowly and gradually you move this piece of paper away from you. At one point the dot on the right will disappear. This is because of physiological blind spot. Now, why does this happen? This is an image of the eyeball. On the posterior aspect on the posterior aspect of the eyeball is a layer called the retina. This retina is responsible for the formation of the image. The light forms or strikes on this and image is formed. The brain perceives this image. Now, this retina is filled with rods and cones that are responsible for vision. Now, there's a point on the retina from where the optic nerve emerges. And if we see through a slit lamp, we can see an optic disc on this area. Now this place is deficient in rods and cones, and as a result, when the light strikes on this place, there is no image formed and that place is left blank. So this is the reason when you have closed one eye and from one eye you see the cross, at one point the light from the dot strikes this optic disc or this place where the optic nerve emerges, and that place is left blank. Now the question arises, why isn't there any blind spot when both the eyes are open? The answer is the blind spot still happens, but in that case the other eye compensates for this missing place, this missing image that is formed. So in both the objects, the light never strikes on the same optic disc or the same place at the same time. If it strikes on the optic disc or this place where the optic nerve emerges from, and the other eye, it will strike some other place, and that eye will compensate for the defect of this eye. So this is the reason when both the eyes are open, you won't find something like this. But in one eye, since there's no compensation, that is why you will feel the defect. And this is physiological. That means it is present in everyone's eyes, including yours and mine.